Now, in its finest moments, theater puts a mirror to society. While this mechanism may vary, for a serious tone provokes the audience in a different way than a comedy in which funny banter is infused with critical commentary, the value is the same. We do not always like what we see. The theater must not attack or marginalize, but the commentary offered advances engagement and provides the platform to spark critical thinking and respectful debate. Respectful debate requires that no voice be canceled, that we listen to opposing views, and we win disagreements based on the merits, not by drowning out opinions with which we disagree. We must all listen, for when we listen and debate, we learn. As we stand here on this beautiful morning at the center of a great institution dedicated to learning, let us all remember this and repeat it to ourselves every day. For learning is a lifelong endeavor. Thank you.